So I see there's a lot of these videos where people are asking what does a Jeep looks like with this kind of lift and these size tires. So my Jeep is a 2.5-inch lift and it is 31.5-inch tires. Basically it is the 265/70 R17. So the rims are 17 inches. This is what it looks like. 2.5-inch lift. It's the AEV lift kit with the Bolstein. I think it's the 5100 shocks. Sorry about my dogs. These rims have a -12 offset, so they do stick out a little bit. Not too much, but they do. So I don't have spaces, but the rims have an offset. These are A-line rims, the Hazard ones. To be honest, I don't really like them. There's nothing actually wrong with the rims itself, it's just like the style. I want to get different rims at some stage. But yeah, this is what the Jeep looks like with 2.5 inches of lift and those 265/70 17s. To me, it definitely does look a little bit out of proportion. The wheels look a little bit small for the Jeep. I think 33s would look better, or 35s, but I think 35s I might need to get a fender cut. I'm not so sure if I want to do that. So for now, I want to use these tires until they're finished. And then I'll look at getting a new set, maybe either 33s or 35s. We'll see what happens. Cool, thanks for watching.